Hey guys, it's Ashley from Out Surprz Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Surprz, surprz.com planner stickers. So they do have two different subscription options. They have one for younger girls, which is just like the fun pack, which you put on your notebooks, your whatever, you know, for like teens and tweens. And then they do have the planner pack, which is for, you know, people my age that you use to decorate your planners. So they're two different options. Each is $19.95. And they come with 90 stickers. So you're getting a ton in there. You really are. Just wait till you see. So when you subscribe, you're going to choose like your favorite color. You're going to make your avatar, your emoji avatar, I guess, avatar. You're going to make that, and then you are going to select your best friend's name, and you'll see why when we get in here. So this is the planner pack. Obviously, I could get the themes for my kids, but all right, so it's Hello July. And then there's a couple little things on the top here. These always come in here. Follow your heart, and there's like a little note card. You make me happy, a little note card, and hugs and kisses, and a little note card. So those are cute. And so it just says July pack for Ashley right there. Isn't that cool? And then we have all of our, so my emoji does kind of look like me, especially when she has her hair up. I mean, I think she's cuter, but whatever, we'll take it. All right, and then so this page here, it says Ashley, never stop looking up. I'm in the center. Then it says Ashley, everything you can imagine is real. I love the geometric with that, by the way. You are a gem. Ashley, shine like the whole universe is yours. Sparkle on Ashley. I just think that is so pretty. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. All right, then we've got more of these with my name on it, which is great because I told you guys before, my name is spelled so uniquely that as a kid, I never got like a personalized mug or a personalized keychain or anything. Never, unless it was specially made, which didn't ever happen, believe me. So these all have like little geodes or crystals, which I love. And then there's my name with what looks like constellations. I love that. All right. These are always in every package. They're always different color, but they're like emoticons, I guess. So you're saying like LOL or BRB or TL, DR, OMG. Me little hearts coming out of my eyes because I'll be doing that sometimes. All right, and this is really cute. So this is for your best friend, or not for them, but like to mark on your calendar. My best friend lives 2.5 to 3 hours away, so I do not see her very often. But it's like lunch with Jackie. Walk with Jackie. I should have put my husband as my best friend because I would have got like lunch with my husband and I would have been like, look, we've got to go. You got to take me out to lunch. Right? Isn't that funny? All right. So shopping with Jackie, brunch with Jackie. And by the way, shopping with my husband though, not fun. Never fun. All right. Movie with Jackie, coffee with Jackie, dinner with Jackie, and party with Jackie. And they're all in little hearts and it's super cute. Here is our next stickers. It's me on 3 of them. And then it says just imagine here. And starry eyes, galaxy minds. Those are super cute. And this is for the top of your planner page. You can write whatever month in there though, which is really nice. Like if you're like me and you're always late to every party, you can write any month. This could be your August. Here is some color in gems with my name. Isn't that cool? I love it. I'm gonna put that on a book or something. All right, then there's more here. My dreams, my plans, my ideas. And then 3 stickers of myself. A little Post-it note pad, like a little planet. Isn't that cute? I love it. Love these. Oh my gosh. Here's some little individual stickers. They call them sticker flakes. So it comes in this little, you know, parchment paper bag. I love them. Oh my goodness, look at them. They're so cute. Wait, are they stickers or are they lick stickers? I don't know, but look at like the, almost looks like those things, those shrinkies that you like put in your oven. It's like that same, look, it's a galaxy. Oops, I dropped it. There's a little diamond. I don't want to lose these. I'm kind of actually nervous that I'm gonna, because they're like sort of see-through. You want to hear something crazy, by the way? This is like totally off topic. So I often have a pair of scissors on my bed when I'm opening my boxes. You know, and like one night I came to bed, I'd the last time I made videos, this is the most interesting part, was not that day, but the day before. And I went to bed the night before and slept the whole night. That night I got in bed, my scissors were there from when I opened the box. I slept the whole night with a pair of scissors in my bed. Isn't that crazy? That's terrifying. I was like, oh my gosh, Ashley, you've got to be more cautious. So here's a big constellation sticker. I think that's really cool. This is from Smeed. Here's some geometric hearts, which are super cute. I love the color scheme. More of these. Ooh, I love this. This is like a traditional planner pack. It has all those like money stickers, the shopping cart, the mail, the recycling, all that stuff to remind you of appointments and things like that. These are for your week, to outline your weeks and things to do today. These, I love these. I just love this. It's so cool. I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna be using these. I cannot wait. I actually stopped, can I be honest though? I stopped using a planner. I just have like a calendar, like a wall calendar that I decorate with planner stickers because I don't ever have the motivation to use a planner anymore. I'm like, I'm too busy. Like, so I just look at my calendar. I'm like, okay, that's going on. I can mark it down. I can see everything visually just walking by. It's so much easier if you're a mom. That's what I've been doing, and I could still use planner stickers and have fun with it. So here's a couple that you'd put down for notes. We're getting down to the wire here. Some more of those as well. And then finally, our final page is another traditional planner pack. You've got your to do today, this week, important, my goals, a couple of those long strips to like outline your boxes and all that stuff. But so there it is. So this is $19.98. You definitely look at all these. So we get 1, 2, see the full sheets, 3. All right, so we get 3 full sheets, okay? And those are all like planner. Then we've got these half sheets, 2 of those. Then we've got this fun giant sticker, sticky notes, sticker flakes, these little border stickers, 2 of those. Tons of stickers on these sheets, like circular stickers, so 2 sheets of circulars, a sheet of heart stickers, 2 of these little memorandum, like note card stickers, and finally, this sheet with more circular stickers. There's just so much. There's so much. If you're into planners and you'd like something that's a little more customized and personalized, this is definitely the way to go. I love this subscription. If you're interested in my full review, I will be linking to that below. I will also link to surprise.com so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.